So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 weird habits that I've implemented in my life that have allowed me to 10x my income in just 6 months. Now, apart from dropping out of college and starting my entrepreneurial journey, I've been able to take disciplined actions in my life that allow me to leverage making money online. I've been able to grow my businesses. I've been able to build multiple sources of income that allow me to go from making $2,000 per month in my college dorm to making nearly $15,000 every month because of these habits that I've implemented in my life. Now, the whole purpose of this video is to share with you guys how these habits in my life have grown my life, has allowed me to grow my income, and more importantly, it's allowed me to start building businesses in my life and going after the things that I've always wanted to achieve. I've been on YouTube. I saw creators making money on YouTube. I've been on TikTok. I saw people building businesses on TikTok, and I had enough. I realized that my actions were limiting me from my success, so I made a rapid change in my life, and over time, these changes have allowed me to really start building something for myself. So the first thing I want to jump into, you guys, is the first habit that has began to change my life super dramatically. You've probably heard of it, the 75 hard day challenge. The 75 hard challenge is what I'm going through right now. Currently, I'm on day 35. Going on 36, but I want to share with you guys within this challenge on why it is so powerful and how it's allowed me to grow my income and make more money in my life, as well as give me discipline in all areas of my life. Now, the first thing that this challenge has taught me, number one, is that drinking was consuming most of my time. Now, from Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, when you're 22 years old, there's always a reason to go out there and drink. You realize that your friends that you have right now in your life are going out there drinking, they're bringing you along, and the first thing that I realized that I was wasting so much time drinking. Not only was I drinking a lot, not only was I going to the bar, but I realized the next day and the following day I was hungover and recovering. So the one thing that I will never be able to get back is my time, and drinking replaced a lot of that time for not productive things in my life. So the one aspect that I really enjoy that's changed my life in this challenge is, number one, is the drinking part. There are so many benefits of, having a casual drink in here. I can't drink right now, but the truth is you waste so much time doing things that are not going to provide you success in your life when you're wasting it trying to find the next bottle. Secondly, is that you discover who your real friends are, who you want to surround yourself with, who are the people in your life that are going to push you to new limits, people that are going to bring you up instead of bring you down. Now, in my life, the drinking aspect, the going out, the being disciplined part has allowed me to realize who I really want to surround myself with, what I want to achieve for myself, and lastly, guys, the discipline aspect has really allowed me to grow my income. Now, I spend a lot more time with myself when you're doing this challenge, physically trying to grow your mind, spiritually growing in your mind as well as physically getting stronger, getting fit. This has allowed me to build confidence. This has allowed me to understand in the mornings at 5:30 a.m. when I'm going on my walks, understanding my vision, my goals for myself. So having this practicality system of a fitness slash spiritual slash mental challenge has truly begun to change my life. And through these, I've actually started new businesses. I've been getting more opportunities because I've been so disciplined. People are seeing growth in your life, and guess what? This will all lead to new opportunities and success in your life. And I'm just seeing this just 35 days in, but I'm going to continue this probably for the rest of my life. Secondly, a new habit, a weird habit that has been implemented in my life is posting on TikTok. Now, this happened about a year ago, but 6 months ago, I decided to go more full-time on TikTok, understanding that I really love building content on TikTok, and I saw the opportunity that you can actually build income on this platform. Now, my previous videos, I've even made $7,000 to $10,000 per month on TikTok, not only directly through the TikTok Creator Fund, but as well as through brand deals. But I really had to position myself differently. Now, the one thing that I realized that you might be wanting to make money on TikTok, Peter, how did you do it? And I realized that this is a huge opportunity. But most of us want to do things, but we're scared of judgment. And when I first started my TikTok account, right now we're sitting around 340,000 subscribers right now, or followers. I had 12,000, 1,000, 0. We all start with 0 followers. I remember posting these videos. I was getting myself out there. People were making fun of me. People were hating me. People were criticizing me. But I realized that a lot of things in life we want to do, but we're too scared of judgment. So taking this habit into my life, basically what I do is create content on Monday through Friday. I try to take the weekends off and just create branding myself using the internet as leverage. I realize that social media is a platform where you can reach millions and millions of people. So why don't you spend some of your time every day? I allocate around an hour every day to create content, to edit content, to post it out there, and guess what? Opportunity comes my way. Share your voice with the world, bring value to someone else, and guess what? You can have income. You will probably have endless income earning opportunities in your life when you can build a brand around yourself, create some personal freedom, as well as connect with people. You will see how your life will begin to change. And this has now allowed me to make more money in my life, has allowed me to have more opportunity in my life. And this all became from the decision and a habit that I've now implemented in my life from posting content, thinking seriously about this platform, and using this as leverage to build a brand for myself now and in the future. So if you're scared about posting content on TikTok or social media, use this video as some encouragement to go out there and get it. Now, the third habit, the new weird habit that I can say, I've looked back and said probably the most successful habit I've implemented in my life in the probably month and a half, 2-3 months, that have really grown my income is no longer chasing women. Now, this could be a very controversial topic because as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, it's great to make money, but if you don't have money to share it with, if you don't have an experience to go out there with a girlfriend on a date and all that stuff, it might not be as enjoyable. But the one thing that I realized, and I feel like a lot of people my age, especially in their 20s, 18 years old, and especially when I was young and I had girlfriends, like I didn't realize how much time I was actually out there chasing women. Now, this came along with the bar scene when I was going and drinking in the summers. I was going out to bars, I was meeting women, and I realized I was putting this dating scene, trying to go out there and hook up with, I'm going to be honest with you, trying to go hook up with women, try to just make myself feel good, boost my ego, boost my confidence when I hooked up with another chick or kissed another girl, or like this stuff, the chasing the women thing really kept me unfocused. Like I realized that I was putting this scene on a pedestal, and guess what? This made me lack in my businesses. This made me feel unfocused. This made me kind of pull away from my ambitions and dreams. Now, this is something that men probably go through, women probably go through as well, but I feel like it's natural in my age. But the one thing that I instantly decided to turn off in my life is that right now in my life, I want to build something for myself. I want to have financial success in my life. I want to bring in as much income as I can in my life. And it's great to have, it's great to date, it's great to go on a little date in here, but in moderation. Instead, I was chasing women every weekend. I was going out to the bars too much. I was going on endless dates, and I was just wasting my time on Snapchat, DMing. Like, the thing that I realized is that not chasing women has probably been the most, empowering feeling in my life, is because now every day I can just wake up and do things for myself. I don't have to celebrate victories with someone when I first meet them, or I don't have to brag. I can do things for myself, and this has led to a lot of clarity in my life. This has allowed me to have a lot more ambition. This has allowed me to grow myself. This has allowed me to fall in love with myself, and this has allowed me to just really dive into what I want for myself. Now, a partner down the road would be great, but I've seen, and I continue to see people my age spend way too much time, and I've done this myself, at the bars, going out there searching for women and men. All that stuff creates a bad combo when you need to just build something for yourself first before you can bring in someone else into your life. And that's exactly what I've learned. And this has just been a lot of clarity in my life. Yes, going out and having all that, play with these people, the confidence, all that stuff is fun, but kind of just mitigating that has been one of the best things and best feelings in my life. Now, the fourth weird habit that I've implemented in my life is replacing television or entertainment for education. Now, right now, in the past 6 to 12 months, I don't even have cable set up. I have not watched a full Netflix movie or series. And this is because I've realized, like, right now in my life, it's great to escape, it's great to fall into these movies, but for me, I've replaced that with education. Now, whether that's a podcast, a book, reading at night, whether it's going out and learning something on YouTube that's educational. Last night I was learning about Bitcoin. I realized that I need to spend as much time as I can learning instead of escaping and falling into entertainment. Whether if that's watching sports. Yesterday was the first day of the NFL season, and I didn't watch more than 20 minutes of NFL football. I actually met up with my friends, and then I left to go on a business meeting because I realized that my time is so precious. I realized that I need to be using this time, not kind of allocating it to football that's not going to serve me, that's not really exciting in my life, that's not really passionate. I know this might sound a little hardcore, but guys, this little shift of understanding, hey, I'm wasting time right now. I'm not doing something that I enjoy. Personally, I don't enjoy watching football, so I'm not going to do it. I enjoy reading. I enjoy learning. I enjoy working. So that's what I'm going to do. So just that quick little shift in the past 6 to 12 months has truly changed my life. Not only do I feel more clear, not only do I feel more hungry, not only do I feel like I'm willing to sacrifice my time to build something for myself, but I feel as motivated as possible. Every day I'm learning from people that I have success. I am learning, I am studying, I'm thinking like someone who is going to become that millionaire, and I'm learning about how I can compound this little education every day, learning something new, stacking that, learning something new, kind of acquiring a new skill, learning something new, and then growing my life. Now, this has been something I've been focusing on And this has allowed me to really grow my income. I learned the skill of eBay, and then I learned the skill of selling, and then I learned the skill of marketing, and then I've learned the skill of communicating. And this has all been packaged into allowing me to grow my income. Now, if I would have sat on the computer after I made my first $1,000 on eBay, spent that money, escaped, went out, and just didn't really continue to grow, then guess what? My income should not grow as well. If I'm not personally growing, if I'm not doing things that will allow me to leverage my knowledge, learn new skills, then I don't expect my income to grow. And this came with making the sacrifice of maybe not hanging out with as many friends as I thought, maybe not going out to the bar as much as I wanted to, maybe not going out and watching football on a Sunday, which would be fun, which would be great. But as a business owner, as someone who wants more in life, I realized that I had to replace entertainment, that Netflix binge, all that stuff, for education. And not only do I really enjoy this replacement, but I realized that the most wise, the most intelligent, the most successful people in the world take this allocation and do it within themselves as well. Bill Gates doesn't spend 2 weekends going out there diving into a new series on Netflix, or going out there and just binge watching football. He's studying, he's learning, and he was successful because he made this sacrifice, and I want to make this sacrifice in my life. So practicality, how has this shifted my income? I've learned new skills that have allowed me to sacrifice TV time to learn educational skills that have grown my income, that have 10x my income, that I've spent building, working a lot more hours, and putting more time in it, and basically hustling more instead of escaping and watching TV. And the last thing, guys, that truly has changed my life in the last 6 months happened about 5 months ago when I decided to change my environment. Now, dropping out of college was a huge decision. I was growing my businesses. I was trying a lot of different things, but the one thing that was holding me back was I was still living at my parents' house. Now, what I've decided to do is I told my brother, let's get up and let's move. Like, I'm tired of being in the same environment. Like, if you ever feel worn down, if you ever feel burnt out, if you just feel like you're not growing traction, get up, quickly move your stuff and get into a new environment. So that's exactly what I did. I decided to move out, and it's crazy how this impacted my income drastically. Now, like I said, I was making around $2,000 to $3,000, and this instant move made me hungrier than I've ever been in my life. This move of now having rent, having cable to pay for, having bills to pay for, made me so hungry and so motivated. Well, guess what? This rent payment is now, kind of been eliminated in my life. I've been able to find ways. I've just started a new opportunity. Like, every day I am trying to grow my income because now I know I'm in a new environment. I've been hungry. I can create videos in the morning. I can go out there and have to worry about someone tracking me, ask me what I'm doing. Like, this new environment shift has truly changed me as a man and as a person, because now I realize the importance of standing on my own 2 feet. I know the importance of no longer do I have that safety blanket of my parents, paying for the dinner here or paying for the groceries or taking care of me. In order for me to pay for something, I have to have the money, which meant that I had to go work harder, that I had to, excel and exceed on my own 2 feet. And that meant not working for someone, starting a new businesses, going through and making more money within my businesses, getting on camera, doing things I was uncomfortable with, because now I put myself in a scenario where I had to do it. And this had to do it mentality allowed me to do things that I probably wouldn't do because I was comfortable at where I was. So what I want to show you guys, if you feel comfortable, if you feel stuck, maybe it's your environment, maybe it's something you need change. And I've realized how important this new change has been in my life. And coming off of that, how this new, environment, what type of habits have came from that. Number one, it has been allocating my time differently. Number two, it has been focusing on different ways I can make more money. Like, I need more income in my life. What habits will lead to that? Number three has been to a consistency of a diet, as well as I eat the same things. I buy the same things. I live a very minimalistic life. I wear the same clothes. I don't buy new things. Like, I live a minimalistic life because now I have bills. Now I have my own environment where I can just basically spend my money how I want it, and I have no control by anyone else, and has really impacted my life in so many areas. So, guys, there are just the 5 weird habits / actions / lifestyle things that I'm going through. Just want to document my journey on how I was able to grow my income, how I was able to build new income sources in my life, how I was able to establish new clarity in my life, feel physically, mentally better, and more importantly, hungrier than I've ever been. Like, 22 years old, I want so much for myself, and I know you want so much more for yourself. So that's why I built this channel, to kind of share my feelings, talk about what I'm doing, and hopefully you can take some of these small actions to know that, hey, I need to improve a little bit better. I need to change my friends. I need to maybe focus on being more disciplined in my life. I want to start a business. What business should I start or go after? Like, these are the things that are going through my head, and that's exactly what I'm experiencing. So that's why I turned on this camera here. That's why I plugged up this microphone, to share my journey with you guys, to hopefully get you some inspiration or motivation to start building wealth in your life, creating more financial freedom, and then becoming your own badass. Like, this world has so much opportunity. You have the control. You have the opportunity to build something within yourself, and I believe in you. So guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Thanks so much for tuning into this channel. Leave a comment below if there's anything I can help you with. Please let me know. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. And drop a comment. What type of video do you want? We got a few brainstorm this week, but I'll see you guys here later. Happy Monday. Go crush this week, and I'll catch you soon. Take care and peace out. Cheers.